Everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted WhatsApp calls history or restore deleted WhatsApp call history. If you want to recover your deleted all calls history, so let's see how to do that. So first of all, I can open me and my friends conversations and then open it. So first of all, I can delete and then go back and then tap on please and then delete option, click on it, delete chat and then tap on please and then delete option, delete chat. Here I can see I can delete me and my friends WhatsApp calls history, but I can easily recover or restore. So let's see how to do that. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store and then Google Play Store, open it and then search recover deleted messages. And in this area you can see recover deleted messages. Please open this app, please install this app and then open it. And in this area you can see deleted media, chat, images, videos, audios, voices, document, favorites. So you can choose and open chat. And in this area you can see my all deleted WhatsApp calls history, recover or restore in this here and then open it. Here you can see me and my friends calls history, recover or restore in this here and then go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp calls history on your phone.